Trumpeter 135, PHL-03 Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS, is a highly detailed model kit of the Chinese version of the Russian BM-30 Smerch. This kit is generally well regarded by modelers for its detail and accuracy, offering a comprehensive building experience. Key features and details, scale and dimensions. The model is in 1/35 scale, a popular size for military vehicles. When completed, it measures approximately 350 mm, 13.9 inches in length and 108.9 mm, 4.3 inches in width. Part count and complexity. The kit typically contains over 670 parts, spread across 19 sprues, along with 3 photo-etched frets. This indicates a complex build that will require time and patience, and it's definitely not a weekend project. Detailed components. Chassis and drivetrain. The kit features a full drivetrain assembly, including the engine transmission, differential housing, and suspension units. This level of detail extends to the separately molded rocket brackets and transfer case. Cab interior. The cab is highly detailed, featuring a complete dashboard with gauges, individual seating, and a detailed firing control center and cabin cooling units. Separately molded cabin doors allow for various display options. Rocket launcher system. The most prominent feature, the 12 individual 300 mm rocket tubes, are accurately reproduced with separate detailed rear nozzles. Tires. The main tires are made of hollow rubber with a very good tread pattern, adding to the realism. Clear parts. The windshield and side windows are provided as clear parts. Photo-etched PE parts. The inclusion of 3 photo-etched frets provides finer details such as air vents, grills, and other delicate components that cannot be replicated with standard plastic molding. This requires the use of super glue, cyanoacrylate. Molding quality. Trumpeter is known for its good molding quality, with parts generally free of flash, excess plastic. However, some smaller parts may have molding pips that require careful cleanup. Building experience modelers often recommend taking time to review the instructions and reference photos of the real vehicle before starting the build. Due to the kit's complexity and numerous options, it offers good potential for diorama building and weathering effects. Historical context. The PHL-03, also known as Type 03, is a modern Chinese MLRS based on the Russian BM-30 Smerch. It entered service with the Chinese Army around 2004 and is considered one of the most powerful artillery rocket systems globally. It's built on a Wanshan WS-2400, 8/8 special wheeled chassis, providing good cross-country mobility. The system can reportedly fire rockets up to 100 km, and a standard rocket weighs around 800 kilos. What's included in the box? Plastic parts sprues, photo-etched parts 3 frets, clear parts, rubber tires 8 pieces, decal sheet, illustrated instructions, die-cut painting masks. Overall, the Trumpeter 135, PHL-03 MLRS, is a highly detailed and impressive model kit that, while challenging, will result in a striking and accurate replica of this powerful military vehicle. If you're a fan of modern military armor and enjoy a detailed build, this kit is an excellent choice.